Hi, this is Leo, and we're going to take our first look at Drive FileStream. FileStream is another option you have available to you when you want to sync files between Google Drive and your computer. Now, there are some similarities between it and Backup and Sync, but there's also some differences, so we're going to start off by talking about those. On my desktop, I've put a shortcut to each of them. On the left side, we have Backup and Sync, and on the right side here, we have Drive FileStream. Backup and Sync syncs and stores Drive content locally on your computer. That means that if I have, let's say, a document I'm working on my desktop, and I make changes to that document, Backup and Sync is going to read that, and that's going to be automatically synced to my Google Drive. Drive FileStream streams all files and folders from the cloud. So with this application, nothing's actually stored on my computer. It's all in that cloud we keep hearing about. It's all in Google Drive. Right now, I'm on a Windows 10 PC, but we're going to switch over to a Mac and take a look at how Backup and Sync and Drive FileStream work on that first. Then we'll come back and take a look at on a Windows computer. Alright, here we are on the Mac, and we're going to take a look at where we can find Backup and Sync and FileStream. At the top, you'll see an icon for Backup and Sync on the right side here, and on the left side, we have an icon for FileStream. I can see when I click on it that everything is up to date, and I also have the option to go directly to the Google Drive folder from here. At the same time, I can go to Finder, and when this opens up, I'm going to see Backup and Sync up top here. You can see all my folders there too. And under Devices, I now have a link to FileStream. And under FileStream, you can see my drive with all of my folders. And we also have the option of Team Drives, and that's something that you don't see with Backup and Sync. So that's just two ways that you can get to FileStream when you're on a Mac computer. Now I'm back at my PC, and we're going to take a look at where you can find Backup and Sync and FileStream when you're on a Windows computer. So the first thing you can do is come down here to the taskbar, and it's probably going to be under your hidden icons, and when you click on that, you're going to see separate links. You'll have one here that'll be for FileStream, and then you'll have this little cloud here that'll be for Backup and Sync. At the same time, we can go to File Explorer, and then you're going to see a link to Google Drive, and this is Backup and Sync here. And you'll also see a link below it to Google Drive FileStream. And just like on the Mac, you can see my drive with all of my folders. And then we can also see Team Drives with links to each of those too. So it's very similar to how it's set up on a Mac, and it's also something that you can explore a little bit on your own when you have some time.